Today, it is impossible to imagine the magnitude of the climate crisis that faced humankind just 50 short years ago. The year 2005. A relentless campaign by oil and coal companies designed to raise doubts about the existence of climate change has finally failed. The world recognizes that the climate is changing and that humans are the cause.
Once people accepted that climate change was real, the possibility that the worst effects could be averted also became real. But it didn't seem that way at the time.
Because they were burning dirty fuels like coal and oil, the Earth's atmosphere was filling up with carbon dioxide, thus heating the globe. You see, the climate crisis was really an energy crisis.
2005 is the hottest year ever recorded, and scientists begin to talk about a climate tipping point, after which human impacts would be irreversible. They warn that if temperatures continue to rise, the Earth as we know it will be almost unrecognizable. But in 2006, everything begins to change. A small but infectious campaign called Renew US is launched on the internet. The first action, organizing millions of Americans to order clean, renewable energy from their power companies.
I was sitting in this coffee shop, a place called Starbucks. I was on my big old laptop, and I got this Renew US email from a friend. I could tell this was going to be big.
The campaign is a runaway success. Utilities in Texas, New York, and Illinois invest billions in clean energy to meet the surge in demand. Inspired, Americans take action. United by the internet, millions adopt innovative energy solutions. The climate revolution has finally begun. Politicians find themselves unable to defend their ties to oil and coal companies. Climate and energy security become the campaign issues in 2008, resulting in massive changes in Congress and sweeping the unlikely independent McCain-Obama ticket into the White House. In 2011, clean energy stocks skyrocket. That year, millions of forward-thinking Americans will see their investments double. 2012, two American corporate giants save themselves from bankruptcy with clean energy. Ford introduces H, the first hydrogen-powered car. Its tailpipe emits nothing but water. And McDonald's, responding to the fast food industry's plummeting sales, starts turning used fry oil into McFuel biodiesel. Within 5 years, they will earn as much from biofuels as from burgers.
McFuel, the clean energy revolution, the death of oil. It all happened between 2006 and 2016. It was quite a time.
2018. America's clean energy boom is in full swing. 1 in 3 new American jobs is in the clean energy sector. The world's largest economy goes from being the climate's worst enemy to being the driving force behind its salvation.
I remember getting the news back in 2026. The U.S. Climate Secretary announced that carbon levels in the atmosphere had begun to level off for the first time. It was quite a feeling being a part of changing something so big.
Today, the worst fears of climate change are behind us, and it all began in 2006, when Americans joined forces and took action to create a sustainable, prosperous future.
We dreamed the change, and it happened. It took millions of us, but it really happened.